This is the Detox Renewal Kit. So we have so many people asking us for a quick cleanse, and this is it. Sometimes we just need a quick boost in the right direction. So there are a few important components to making any cleanse successful. Limiting toxins in, supporting detox pathways and routes of elimination, hydration, rest, and gentle exercise. So why are these important? The first thing is limiting toxins in, and I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Now, supporting detox pathways and routes of elimination. We want your body to detox at a cellular level, which means the body needs adequate vitamins and minerals that are the cofactors for the detox pathways and are needed to function optimally. Then supporting the body to having 1 to 3 bowel movements a day, because this is the main route of elimination of toxins. And adequate water intake helps to hydrate the cells and supports gentle elimination of toxins through the kidneys. Now, gentle exercise is important because it helps increase blood flow throughout the body and is good, and good rest allows your body to go into repair mode. The Detox Kit has all that you need to support all of this, from easy to follow instructions and guidelines to nutritional support with ColonX to support the 1 to 3 bowel movements a day, drainage to support cellular detox and detox pathways, ProbioMax Daily DF, which is a great probiotic for gut health, and OptiCleanse GHI, which is a delicious meal replacement smoothie for providing the nutrient cofactors for healing the gut and supporting cellular